Hi, I'm doing a giveaway for Knit Crate yarn, and here's the website for the Knit Crate. All of the links are down below. You can sign up under me and you get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. And if you come to this website, the Knit Crate website, you can pick out the best type of box for you. You'll get 2 skeins of yarn, a booklet of patterns each month. And also, here is my website, amyscrochetpatterns.com. And you can always come to patterns. There's hat patterns, afghans, flowers, scarf, holidays, headbands, baby items, bags, booties, coasters, miscellaneous, washcloths, doily. Right now is the holiday season. Easter, and then Halloween, and then Christmas. All of my patterns are mostly free. So you can just click on any one of these patterns. It'll take you right to the pattern. Just click out of any little advertisement. I have no control over that. I don't know why it comes up. And then it'll take you right here to the pattern. And my crochet book here, and my other book is on Amazon here as well. Crochet hats for beginners with audio and paperback and ebook. Okay, and my Facebook group and page, this is my page, Crochet Jewel Patterns. You can sign up under me. My links are down below. And I have a crochet group as well. You can join that as well. And then my Etsy store, Amy Creative Creations. I have products that are digital, so digital tags for crochet printables, calendars, Christmas cards and Christmas tags, crochet patterns, some are vintage, and then crochet patterns that I made, and more vintage and tags and crochet patterns that I created. Alright, so let's see what kind of yarn I have to give away. Hi, so I'm going to give away 2 skeins of yarn from Knit Crate. This is a re-gift because I have already given this away and nobody claimed it. And so this yarn, it's really soft and has like a mohair texture to it. So this is alpaca wool, Highland wool blend, and you need the size 7 for a hook. So just comment down below in the description, below the description in the comments, something crochet related, maybe something you're making or something you would like to have made by me, and then I'll pick a winner soon. In a week or two, come back and I'll do the random comment picker. And make sure you're a subscriber, okay? So thank you for watching.